11 miles, 318 curves. Let's see if you make it out. Cold start echoing the mountain air. Morning mist, but I don't care. Line ahead like a coiled snake. One wrong move is all it takes. No lights, no signs, no second chance. Just hands on the wheel and a razor dance. 318, I count them down. Every curve tries to take me out. No mercy road, no second chance. You don't drive this, you dance. Tennessee line to Carolina bend, state to state, but it never ends. Guardrails line with stories told of drivers pushing just too bold. Elevation shifting under me, can't see the next, just trust in speed. 318, I count them down. Every curve tries to take me out. No mercy road, no second chance. You don't drive this, you dance. Hold the line, don't let it slip. Grip the wheel, control the drift. Every inch earned in sweat. Dragon's not done with you yet. Blind apex calling out my name. Every turn a different game. Throttle breath, I feel her pull. Too much nerve and not enough soul. Heartbeat locked with every gear. Closer to the edge, right here. 318, I don't back down. Let it scream, let it shake the ground. No mercy road, no second chance. You don't drive this, you dance. No intersections, nowhere to hide. No driveways, nowhere to slide. Just you and the road and the line you choose. Win it all or you just lose. Let it breathe, let it build. 318, 318. Every turn, don't hesitate. 318, 318. Hold control, dominate. 318, I count them down. Every curve tries to take me out. Push it harder, ride that line. Dragon's road, but tonight it's stretch, but don't relax. Dragon strikes when you turn your back. 318, I don't slow down. Every corner I own right now. No mercy road, no second chance. You don't drive this, you dance. US-129. again.